Paris, Rome, London, amazing, but Europe's real magic is hidden in places you've never heard of. Today, we're leaving the tourist crowds behind. Get ready for a cinematic journey to 5 of Europe's best-kept secrets. Living storybooks filled with history, food, and genuine hospitality. This is Europe raw, real, and breathtaking. If you're craving adventure beyond the obvious, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Our journey through Albania begins, and our first stop is a place unlike any other. We arrive in Gjirokaster, Albania, a city steeped in history and brimming with unique charm. It's known as the City of Stone, and for good reason. Here, distinctive slate-roofed Ottoman houses seem to cling precariously to the slopes of the Drino Valley, creating a mesmerizing architectural tapestry. History doesn't just exist here, it echoes in every corner, whispers from the ancient stones beneath your feet. Looming above it all, the imposing castle dominates the skyline, a silent sentinel watching over the city. From its ramparts, the castle offers sweeping panoramic views of the valley below. It also provides a fascinating peek into Albania's long and often turbulent past, a story etched in stone and time. But the real heart and soul of Gjirokaster lies in its vibrant old bazaar. Here you'll find exquisite artisan carpets, each one a unique work of art. Intricate woodwork, crafted with skills passed down through generations, and everywhere the rich, inviting aroma of strong Turkish coffee and freshly baked börek fills the air, tempting your senses. The Albanian food here is not only hearty and delicious but also surprisingly affordable. Be sure to try the local specialty, Cesky, savory rice balls seasoned with herbs and spices, or indulge in some slow-cooked lamb, a testament to the region's culinary traditions. Gjirokaster is more than just a destination on a map. It's a living, breathing culture where the people are proud of their heritage and incredibly welcoming to visitors. Don't be afraid to lose yourself in its labyrinthine winding streets. As you wander, you'll discover a corner of Europe that remains largely untouched by the homogenizing forces of mass tourism. This is a true hidden gem, waiting to be explored. Next stop on our Albanian adventure, a fairy tale city that feels like it has sprung directly from the pages of a storybook. Welcome to Colmar, France, a town straight from a storybook with pastel houses, flower-filled canals, and cobbled lanes. Glide through Little Venice by boat, soaking in the serene beauty and unique blend of French and German architecture. Every corner reveals another picture-perfect scene: Renaissance houses, medieval customs halls, and hidden courtyards. The culture is a fusion. French elegance meets German comfort. Don't miss tarte flambée and a glass of local Riesling. Colmar is a dream you can wander through, enchanting, delicious, unforgettable. Ready for dramatic landscapes? Let's go south. Next, the Adriatic's fjord. Kotor, Montenegro, where mountains plunge into turquoise waters and medieval walls climb impossibly steep hills. Enter the Old Town, a maze of stone streets, sunlit piazzas, and centuries-old churches. Hike the fortress walls, 1,355 steps for a view you'll never forget. Afterward, relax by the bay with fresh seafood and soak in the peaceful vibe. Despite its growing fame, Kotor remains tranquil and authentic. It's a sanctuary for those who seek beauty and calm. Now let's step into a bohemian fantasy. Nestled in the heart of South Bohemia, we find Cesky, Krumlov, Czech Republic, a town that seems plucked straight from the pages of a fairy tale. It's not just charming, it's officially a UNESCO-listed town, recognized for its outstanding universal value and remarkably preserved medieval architecture. The enchanting town is almost entirely wrapped in the embrace of the meandering Vltava River, its waters reflecting the colorful buildings and adding to the town's magical allure. And overlooking it all, crowned by a sprawling castle complex, second in size only to Prague Castle, a testament to centuries of history and power. Take a step back in time and explore the castle's Baroque theater, one of the best preserved theaters of its kind, offering a glimpse into the opulent world of 18th century entertainment. Don't be surprised to spot bears in the moat, a unique and endearing tradition that dates back centuries. It's a quirky tradition that adds to the town's unique character and charm, a living link to its rich past. The heart of the old town is pedestrian only, inviting you to wander its cobblestone streets and soak in the atmosphere. As you explore, cross wooden bridges that span the Vltava, offering picturesque views of the town and castle. Take your time to browse artisan shops filled with handcrafted treasures and local crafts, perfect for souvenirs or unique gifts. And as evening approaches, discover cozy pubs tucked away in medieval cellars, offering a warm and inviting atmosphere. During the summer months, the Vltava River buzzes with the energy of kayaks and rafts, as visitors enjoy the refreshing waters. The air is filled with laughter and the sounds of paddles splashing, creating a vibrant and joyful atmosphere. After a day of exploring, feast on hearty goulash, a traditional Czech stew that's sure to warm you from the inside out. Don't forget to try the dumplings, a staple of Czech cuisine, perfect for soaking up all the delicious flavors. Indulge in a trdelník pastry, a sweet treat that's roasted over an open fire and coated in sugar and cinnamon, and of course wash it all down with legendary Czech beer, renowned for its quality and flavor. Cesky Krumlov is a secret worth sharing, a hidden gem that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return. It's more than just a destination. It's a slice of history with a storybook soul, a place where time seems to stand still. For our final stop on this leg of our journey, we're trading the sunlit streets for something a little different. We're about to go underground, venturing into a world hidden beneath the surface. Welcome to the City of Caves, a subterranean realm of mystery and wonder, waiting to be explored. Matera, Italy, a city etched in time, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It stands proudly as one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities, its history stretching back millennia. The city is dramatically carved into the soft, undulating limestone cliffs of the region. Here lies the Sassi di Matera, a captivating and intricate maze of cave dwellings, a network of homes and pathways interweaving through the rock. Discover ancient churches, each one a treasure trove of history and art, and explore serene monasteries, silent witnesses to centuries of devotion and contemplation. Matera has been transformed from a place of deep poverty, once considered a national shame, to a celebrated cultural wonder, a UNESCO World Heritage Site drawing visitors from across the globe. Dare to walk on the rooftops offering panoramic views, delve into ancient frescoed churches, marveling at the artistry that adorns their walls, or perhaps stay in a unique cave hotel, promising a night of unparalleled tranquility and immersion in history. As dusk settles, the entire city transforms, glowing with a warm light, resembling a living nativity scene, a breathtaking spectacle. It's utterly magical, an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. Matera's story is a powerful one of resilience, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people, transforming shame and hardship into a cultural treasure, a source of immense pride. Be sure to savor the rustic and authentic Basilicata cuisine, a culinary journey in itself. Indulge in handmade pasta, crafted with love and tradition, drizzled with rich Italian olive oil, and accompanied by incredible, freshly baked bread. Matera is far more than just a destination. It's a profound journey through time, an immersive experience that connects you to the past. Now it's your turn to step back in time and explore the wonders of Matera. 5 cities, 5 adventures, proof that Europe's heart beats strongest off the beaten path. The real magic is in discovery, a local dish, a hidden view, a welcoming smile. Next time you travel, look beyond the obvious. Your greatest adventure might be just one small town away. Share your favorite hidden gem in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.